Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Wi-Fi disconnects after sleep in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Wi-Fi gets disconnect when your computer or laptop goes into sleep mode, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to click on this start menu. Then type here device manager. Click on this device manager. In this you have to find your network adapter, double click and expand. After that you have to select your Wi-Fi adapter. You can see here this is my Dell wireless adapter. Just right click on that, then click on properties. Here you will find power management option. Click on that. You have to uncheck this option. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. If it is tick mark, you have to remove this tick mark. After that, then click OK. Then close this window. And the second option is, again you have to click on the start menu. Then type your device manager. Select your Wi-Fi adapter. Right click on that. Click on properties. Here you have to check your device status. You can see the device is working properly. If it is not working properly, then you have to replace your Wi-Fi adapter. After that, again you have to open this device manager. Here you have to click on this and select show hidden device. After that, click on network adapter. Then select your wireless driver. Right click on that, then click on uninstall. After completion of this uninstall, once you have to restart your PC. After restarting, again you have to reinstall your Wi-Fi adapter. In some of the PCs it will automatically install your Wi-Fi adapter. If it is not installed automatically, you have to download that Wi-Fi adapter from this Google Chrome and install. After that, still you are facing the issue, then you have to try the fourth method. Click on start menu, then type here edit power plan. Click on this edit power plan. Change advanced power off settings. Here you have to search for wireless adapter setting. Double click and expand. After that you will find power saving mode. Double click and expand. Here you can see if you are using on laptop, it will show on battery or plugged in. You have to set, double click on that and select maximum performance. You can see plugged in. This also you have to select for maximum performance. Then click on apply, then click OK. Then close this window. After doing this, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Wi-Fi disconnects after sleep on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.